ladies, welcome for my blog. Now, this is not my main channel, of course. My main channel is all about, being professional, sharing knowledge, this and that. However, with this channel, the thing I'm going for is actually raw, real, simple, cozy, slow. This is my first time this channel making a long video. I don't know how it will go, and I have never ever in my life made any kind of video like this. So since I'm going for a video cozy vibe, that's why I've created it. Now, so by the way, it's from my mom. I recently got it, and it's part of the video, by the way, part of the haul, and it's really high quality. I love it. I don't know about other people, but I do love it. So I won't really waste your time. Let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna start with my new favorite bag. That's why it's in a white bag, because I really want to protect this bag. I really want to protect this bag, and you will see why. Tell me, isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? It's pretty. I don't know about you, but it's pretty. It's called Duke of Birkin. I don't know what's the model size is really, but the 25 I believe. But actually got more depth inside the bag. It's like a cutesy little evening bag. I thought that this bag is really huge, and I was looking for a daily bag. It really didn't came with this twilly. I got this from Myntra, and it's from a brand all about it. Comes with a lot. Firstly, is the story. Few days ago when I first got it, it took me solid minute or two in order to figure out how to open this lock, because it really didn't came with a key mess to offer key with the lock. And I was like, how the hell am I supposed to open it? And they clearly said in the website that it's a push lock. And I was like, pushing. What the hell? So I'm like, oh my god, there I got scammed. How the hell am I supposed to open it? But I have to break it. But the lock is too beautiful. My mom, on the other hand, she just figured it out. You have to just do this. Are really small. Just like actual owners, it's really annoying to open this bag. Like, come on, we don't have all day. Who are we to complain? I do like the physical appearance of this type of bag, but when it comes to practically using the bag, I don't know about that. It's just a bit annoying. It also came with this strap, and I don't think owners really provide straps, or the deals that provide straps. So thanks all of you brand. Now when it comes to the quality, honey, it costed me around 500 or something like that. It's good. However, stitching is not that much immaculate. Overall, this bag is a good deal. It's my favorite for now. Let's talk about this. This is a Cape Coat. Where's the belt? Just give me a minute. I will just show you how it looks overall. But let's talk about the quality of the belt, because it's not that great. Amount of money we are paying for this stuff, we deserve good pay. Coat itself is made out of velvety material, as you can see. I do like it a lot. Let me put it on for you guys. By the way, it is from a brand called Style Cap, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Try to link this. This gives such a royal look, and I'm here for it. Elegant, chic, moody is that. Now, without the bed or something like this.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the colonial history in 3 seconds.
Give me your money. Oh, time. That's it. With the belt, let me figure out where it is, because sometimes I mess it up. I don't know if you can see or not. This coat is already drenched in cat fur. I have 3 mates: Milana, Svetlana, Rafa. You will always catch me being covered in fur. This is what I'm talking about. So this is the Cape Coat, giving such a royal vibe. Apparently, that completely matches with this look, and I'm here for it. Also, I just like. Anyways, let me take it off. It's too hot. So this bag, now this is one of the most princess coat bag I have ever from Savannah, and some sort of like some sort of flash.
Express says that till this day she is doing flash sale. Whatever.
Some sort of sale was going. Bag is actually 700 rupees, I believe so, because it was in sale. I got it for like 500, and I actually saw a new version of it which was white, and it was like 990. Who the hell is paying 990 for a white version? Not a girly. I'm just kidding. Get whatever you like. Pearl handle and this beautiful charm. When I first saw it, it was giving Chanel vibe. Content. I don't know if they have a bag like this or not. Look at this. Isn't it the most prettiest bag? It has these two beautiful butterflies which I love. Savannah often give all of this sale. I would say just wait for sale to happen and buy these stuff. I kinda don't see spending 700 on this because it's a very flimsy bag. I will be very honest. Stitching is a bit out in here. You can see or not? Yeah. And it's not giving quality. Now it will look more fuller when you will put your stuff in it. Now the next thing, I can't believe I bought it at such price. So recently I went on a mountain trip. Hello! And there was this beautiful monastery, and inside the monastery there was so many beautiful decor stuff, items, dolls, coats and whatnot. Immediately my eyes went on this purple. Now this is not really a coat, it's a jacket, but it's a coat. It's not really from Louis Vuitton, a replica or any Duke or something like that. I don't think Louis actually owns any kind of coat that looks like this. Look at the color, guys. Quality of this product. I bet all the big brands could have sold it for a very huge amount of money. But the small owner of that shop really gave it to me for just $650. I'm talking good quality, honey. I always wanted a coat like this. Let me be honest, I always wanted it. It's kind of like a manifestation that came true. Now, again, it's matching with this bag. I don't know what it is. I'm currently in my cherry red era where I'm buying every single thing unintentionally in cherry red. Really hot in here. I'm not supposed to wear it right now. Just show you guys how it looks like. It's giving bougie, it's giving everything, it's giving it. And I love how I follow actual jacket. Now ladies, I'm not really sure if you are enjoying this video or not. Do let me know if you like this style of my first time shooting a video like this. I'm just being very raw and truthful to you guys. I bet I'm just editing it out. You can't even notice, but I'm stuttering a lot. I'm struggling to pronounce certain words that I know how to pronounce, but I can't. So please bear with me. It's my first video, and I'm sure with practice and whatnot, I can definitely provide good videos. So this is what I wanna say. So here is the next bit. I will just leave the picture how it looks like when I wore it. I just got it just for 300 rupees. First I saw this on Myntra, 600 or something like that. I just literally ordered it during that time when I saw it on first on Myntra. Then I noticed that the same brand I called Tokyo Talkies or Target. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry brand. I'm sorry guys. I'm bad at pronouncing stuff. So then I saw it on Myntra. 300 rupees. Are you kidding me? I immediately got it. Just after getting it, my mom actually saw it. She was like, wow, such a beautiful dress. And I'm like, we can actually match, you know. So I again went to Flipkart to check if they got my mom's size or not. Of course they got it. However, they again changed their price, 600 rupees. The bag comes with this inner and adjustable strap. I believe it's an organza material. That's what you call it. Completely sheer, but it gives on such a pretty elegant vibe. Oh my god, God knows how much I love it. Next thing that I want to show you, this bag. The story time of this bag is that my entire family, they went on a beach trip, and I wasn't really present there because I was really struggling with my mental and physical health. And my mom got me this bag. When I first saw it, I was like, damn. First idea that I got was Almonds. Even though Almonds really doesn't sell at this style, but they do sell stuff in this bucket style bag, and the color of course gave off that just luxury vibe, and I was so happy getting it. It costed around 500 or just 500. So this is the inside. Fits a lot. I really like. I'm not here to just like, oh my god guys, this is so beautiful. I'm living for no. I'm here to tell you that from top to bottom I have very high quality bag. Most probably in a small store they sold this bag. So guys, do support the local sellers, you know. But sometimes they do give good deals in such less prices. So here is the next product, which is a cargo. When I was like 16 or something like that, I love cargo. But however, with time when my fashion changed a bit, these guys are more of like a casual top. So for a trip, I bought this on Flipkart. For how much? Like 400, 500 something I believe. This is not really made out of the typical cargo material you see generally. The material that gets used in sweatshirts and hoodies and whatnot. This is the same material. It feels really comfortable. I will give you pictures of me with this cargo. Go for it. I have no complaint whatsoever. It got this pocket which I really didn't use this side of the pant. Has functionality, has comfort, has quality. What else do you need? Get this that one. I really love the color. It is good. It got this last strip. I really love it. Get it. No doubt, get it. Now, it's really not mine. However, I can't really help to show you guys this product, which is this bag from Saban. Such beautiful color. I'm telling you something about Cherry Red. These days, my eyes are being on Cherry Red. My mom's bag. She bought it for herself. Look at the color. My God. Does come with a strap. Let me show you. But I can't really guarantee the quality of this product. I remember I have a bag. It was 300 or something. And randomly, it was like back when I was 16, right? I was coming back home after giving exam. And there is this local shop, beauty shop. And that bag was like dangling in front of my face. I was like, that looks like a very high quality damn bag. Oh my God. And I literally walked away from the shop. Something clicked in my brain. You know what? I can't let this thing go. What if that uncle says that it's not like very cheap or something like that? So I turned back. I gave a U-turn and I came back to the shop. I'm like, uncle, how much is it? Uncle, it was like 200. You got to be kidding me. This quality of a bag for 200. No way. The stitching immaculately perfect. The stitching was so good. The quality of the bag so good. Leather looked like it's some real leather. When I put it on, it was like, oh God, I have to show you that bag. Wait, it's not part of the haul, but I have to show you guys what I got in such price. I bet you can actually find similar bags like that in Meesho or something like that. I'm not quite sure, but maybe you can find or not. Good. Wait a minute. So here is the bag. This is made out of metal. It's not plastic. My God. This is dirty. It's stitching. Immaculate. You can't tell me it doesn't look expensive. Come on. Look at the stitching, guys. So immaculate. Nothing is coming out of here. No thread or something like that. It's perfectly. The stitching is fine, so fine. And also it came with a strap. Right, I don't really my bag as sling. I just like to hold it like this. However, I do keep wrapping inside the bag in case of emergency. However, I decided since it's a really good quality wrap, I can use it to display my bows, my ribbons and whatnot. So I really use it to display my ribbon. But look at the quality, guys. Just look.
Girl, you got a lot of stories to tell. Whatever.
When I compare this thing with this thing, it is flimsy. I'm sorry. Not that flimsy, not that athletic. However, some stitching is coming out of here. The strap is pinched. Don't get me wrong. Just buy it when they are giving sale. Don't buy it full price. That's what I have to say. It's really luxury. Not gonna lie. It looks so good. So we really came at the end of the video, and it was such a nice experience, honestly. It felt like I'm talking a friend of mine. So do let me know how you felt being my friend. I just wanted to give this sort of vibe like as if I'm in FaceTime with my friend, my bestie, and I'm giving you a call. Do let me know how you felt with me being with this channel. That's it. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead, or night ahead, or evening ahead. I will see you with the next one. Tata.